Okay guys, Jason here with Forever Free Gunner, bringing you a video today about the FX Panthera 500. We got this gun from Utah Air Guns. I purchased it myself. We do have some more accessories going on today. So those accessories are going to be the Atlas monopod onto the 60mm tank adapter from Saber Tactical, and then the FX adjustable and removable harmonic tuner. So guys, that's what we're going to go ahead and install on this today. We're going to go ahead and start with the clamp and get this hooked on, and then we'll move up to the barrel tuner. I'm interested to see if it's going to go right up, and this is going to be able to go over the front of this. Nobody could tell me from FX whether it was going to or not, so we're going to find out together. Before we go ahead and get that started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, guys. We are going to be giving some cool stuff away. And when we hit 2,000 subs, we are going to give away an air gun. So, but we are a slug manufacturer, and we will be giving slugs away on the monthly. So be sure to like, subscribe, get your buddies over here, get your family over here. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get this party started. Let's go ahead and actually start with the I'm gonna go ahead and scoot this more down here so you guys can see what's going on. We'll go ahead and take off the moderator. I don't believe there's no instructions, so that's the way it has to go on there. It's just absolutely the way it has to go on, because this is 1/2 by 28. And then this one of these other ones is 1/2 by 28. That one. I have to snug that all up. Kind of cool. It's like a very rubberized feeling up here. 1/2 UNF, guys. Yep, 1/2 UNF. This goes in here. Okay, then the moderator goes on here. Hopefully, yeah. Just push this back. So that's all the way up against the suppressor, guys. So now that's that. That's the weight. Hopefully we'll be able, our harmonic tuner, hopefully we'll be able to get that adjusted, dial it in a little bit more. So now we'll go ahead and throw this bad boy on and the clamp on. Let me go ahead and spin this gun around this way. All right. So it does go on there, but it isn't going to go over either one of these things. So, you know, that's all the adjustment we're going to have. So hopefully it does do something. Alright, so now we have to figure out what size Allen key this is. $5/32. This should be pretty easy. Gonna loosen these up. I don't think you have to loosen up all the way. Just enough for the clamp to slide on there. Now I measured this. This is bottle is 60. That's one you're gonna need. A little easier, hopefully, by putting it through. This way. Cannot believe it's a flathead, antiquated old system. Okay guys, so we got it all lined up. Alright guys, so we'll drop the monopod down. We'll tighten this up at level. And then we'll make sure that this isn't kicked off to the side, which it is right now. But we don't want it kicked off to any side because we want it to sit as level as possible. And I think we're good there. Now when this is down, it takes that wobble out of there. So we'll go ahead and tighten it up. But it should be snug. That's probably snug enough. It ain't gonna go anywhere. Okay. So now, when you're aiming down range, you can go ahead and do your minor adjustments. And then if you don't want it to move, you can just lock her down there. It would be just like that, but if you want them to move together, they'll move together too, and that takes that slop out of there. So guys, there you go. We have it now set up on a monopod system without spending a bunch of extra money. $70. A lot cheaper than you can get into some of the other ones. So for bench rest, I like this. This is the 6.5. This is the same setup I had on my 6.5 Creedmoor, and I loved it, guys. So I went ahead and this is what I'm going to go with for now. We are going to make a little base for this so that this little round nub just sits down into a base, and then we'll be able to slide the base from right to left as we want it. So this is just going to be awesome, guys. It is going to, seriously, they're so stable. Front to back, there's no wobble. I'm probably going to put my tripod a little further, or my bipod a little further up. And then we'll test this harmonic tuner this week, guys. So please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so we can go ahead and get you guys winning some stuff. We're coming up on 1,000 real quick. 2,000 for a rifle giveaway. So share with your friends and family, please.
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Again, God bless, and keep that air dry.